Hi, Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, I will be making hamburger potato casserole. Now this dish is super easy, and I first created it while working as a sous chef at Rikers Island in New York. So the recipe and the links to all the products you see will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook group, and do us a huge favor, smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I am super eager to cook. Let's go.